guys, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you how these packing cubes by Cenivi have been great for traveling. I love the variety of beautiful colors they have. My husband chose the black one, and I choose to record his packing because he did a wonderful job. I love that you have 3 bags for organizing your clothes, and it even has a little buckle inside so the clothes stays in place and it doesn't get wrinkled. I also like it has another bag that you can use for your underwear, your socks, which is great. You're gonna see right away when you get these cubes that they're high quality. And I also love that they have metal double zipper, which makes it super easy to open and close. And they are even waterproof design. These cube sets are so complete. You can either get them in with 10 or with 8 pieces, and you're going to see that you have a toiletry, cosmetic, shoe bag, and everything you need. I even left an extra one for my dirty clothes. I didn't do as great as my husband, but I love this minty green color, which is beautiful. These are suitable for a luggage, for a suitcase, even for a weekend bag or backpack. You have way more space and everything looks neater. So if you're trying to have an organized and hassle-free travel experience, then definitely go with these packing cubes by Cenivi. So if you're looking to travel in an organized way, I definitely recommend these, but that's just our point of view.